Hello, family. Welcome back to day 2 of our teaching series, The Sound of Your Yes. I am Prophetess Audra, and today's teaching is titled The Glory Cycle of Yes. Last time I shared how this series came out of a moment with God where He whispered to me, "Thank you for your yes." I never heard that before. I'm like, is this even biblical? Like, God says, thank you. Yes. That phrase, it carries so much weight. And it's actually the reason why we're in this series. So let's jump right on in. So your yes didn't end when you spoke it. It actually started a cycle of glory, a cycle of obedience, and a cycle of supernatural momentum. So today I'm going to teach on how your yes actually activates the glory cycle. So let's look at 2 Corinthians 3:18. It says we go from glory to glory. But that doesn't happen automatically. It starts with a yes. Yes to the refining, yes to the stretching, yes to the surrender. When you say yes, you are activating a divine movement. You move from revelation to obedience to manifestation, and then back again. Each time the glory increases. That's the glory cycle. You say yes, God responds, you grow. You say yes again, and the next yes takes you deeper, higher, and further than the one before. So some of y'all are in between yeses right now. You gave one and you're waiting to see the reward of that one. But can I tell you, it's already multiplying. Your yes has ripple effects. It's activating open doors, divine connections, favor, legacy blessings. I mean, even when it feels silent on the surface, that's it. That's it, y'all. If this word is stirring you, is stirring something in your spirit, I need you to hit that share button. Share it with another woman who said yes to God. And ask her to subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. So here's a decree that I want to speak over you. Your yes is not just sustaining you, it's birthing something that will bless generations. The cycle of glory is active. So keep saying yes. That's it. Meet me back here tomorrow for day 3.